Welcome to the third part of subqueries topic. Till now we have learned subqueries involving two tables, and in this tutorial we will see subqueries involving three tables as well as some very other common interview questions. For this, let us extend the case of an employee and department ER diagram. A company has number of departments. Each department there are number of employees, and also the company has number of projects that are managed or headed by a particular employee. So the ER diagram is department has number of employees. The company also has number of project where each project is managed by a particular employee or employee manages only one project. See, there can be a situation where in a project there can be many employees, but I am not considering that thing because it will confuse you. Currently what I am taking is that a project is managed by a particular employee. So for this three entity ER diagram, we will have following three tables: department table, employee table, and project table, like this. I hope that you have already created these two tables, the first two tables, department and employee, as per the requirement of my first two tutorials. And in this tutorial, we will make use of this third table, that is project table. So I hope before moving ahead, you must create these three tables. The first one is department table, the second one is employee table, and the new third one is this project table. It's a very simple table. As you can see that the company has number of projects like project of PepsiCo, project of Patanjali, project of ITC, and they are managed by some employee. So I have taken employee code as P manager. So don't confuse this P manager with this manager. Actually, this P manager is a foreign key of employee code. Okay, because PepsiCo will be managed by 25. 25 means Mohan. Patanjali will be managed by 3. 3 means Rohit, and ITC will be managed by 27. That is ABC. So this P manager is a foreign key of employee code. Currently, it has nothing to do with this manager column. This manager column and this P manager are currently not at all related. So don't be confused. This P manager is a foreign key of employee code. So what was the case? The case was the company has number of departments. For example, department number 10, 20, 30. There are number of employees who work in a particular department, like Kumar works in 40, Rohit works in 10, and so on. And there are few projects that are headed by an employee. So you can see this is a simple case. So make sure that you have created this table in your laptop, consists of these three records. Now start with very simple question, that is display the budgets of all projects. As you can see, the budget is here. Very simple question. What you will type? Very easy question. What you will type? You will type select budget from project. You get the answer. The three values are displayed. Now this was the basis question of our tutorial. So let us move ahead. You must have typed this in your laptop also. Now the second question is display costliest budget or most expensive budget. So again, it is a very simple one. Out of these three values, you have to display this highest value, that is 65,000. So what you might have done, select maximum budget from project. As you can see, I have already written these queries. So I have typed this and you can see this answer has come. Now let us move to our main question, that is display second most expensive budget. Now this question is a very common question being asked in many interviews and many examiners during the Viva also. So to display this question, what it should show 88,900. Now in order to answer this question, you may use certain wrong methods also. For example, you may type max to budget, which is not allowed. There is nothing called as max to. You may write select max budget minus one from project, which is also giving you an answer, but is not the correct answer. What it has done, it has taken on maximum value and minus one, that is 6,49,999. Similarly, if you try to answer it indirectly, as you can see in the table, that the second highest value is having the project code of 222, and you try to write down select budget from project where P code is equal to 222, then it is not a correct way. Okay, because how did you came to know that second highest project code is 222? So it should be done automatically with the help of query. So basic idea behind this is a very simple question, that if you take out maximum budget from project and exclude the current maximum budget. For example, what I have tried to write is this: select maximum budget from project where budget not in the current maximum value. So it will give you the correct answer. But still the method is wrong, because how did you came to know that 6,50,000 is the highest? So I hope you have understood what you will do. Instead of this direct value, you will place a subquery here that will return you this highest value. So the answer would be select maximum budget from project where budget not in. Select maximum budget from project. So what happens? The innermost query is executed. It will give you maximum budget, and the outermost query will execute select maximum budget from project where budget not in the maximum value. So the second highest value will be displayed. Okay. Now, how can you display the third most expensive budget? Can you extend subquery to multiple labels? The answer is yes. So this is your exercise. You try out a subquery in a subquery. So what we want, that 45,555 should be displayed. Okay. I hope you have executed the previous queries. Now let us try these third highest budget query. Now, will this work? You try to use a subquery in a subquery. Select maximum budget from project where budget not in. Select maximum budget from project where budget not in. Select maximum budget from project. So try out in your laptop, and in the next video we will see that how to use three table subquery. First of all, try this. Are you getting the correct answer? And then switch to the next video. The query is this. Try out whether it is working or not. Then switch to next video. Thank you.